Topic name is IP address. Which one, ma'am? IP address. Clear? Basically, on your PC, laptop, server, clear? How many types address available? Two types. One is a logical and second is a physical. Yes or no? Logical means Hitesha ma'am. Hitesha ma'am.
Yeah.
Logical means which one address? IP address or MAC address?
IP address.
IP address. That's good.
Yeah.
Ravali, what is the meaning of physical?
Ethernet cable connection.
MAC address. Okay. So right now today topic is only a logical address. Clear, ma'am? Okay. Last time in OSI model, I think I already covered a MAC address. Yes or no? Complete. MAC header also. Yes or no? So today we discuss which one topic? IP address. Clear? Basically, how many types IP address available? How many types? You have two types of IP address available. Clear? First is IPv4 and second is IPv6. Clear? Right now, I'm just discuss only IPv4. Clear? A basic to as advanced. Clear? Basic to advanced. After routing, I will discuss IPv6 topic also. Clear, ma'am? Okay. So right now, first thing, IP address. IP address call, ma'am, a logical address. Which one address, Awali? Logical address. What is the meaning of IP address? It's an internet protocol address. Which one? Internet protocol address. Okay. Which IP address today we discuss? 4 or 6? I will discuss IPv4. So basically, IPv4 called Internet Protocol version 4. Which one? Internet Protocol version 4. IPv4 called a numerical address. Which one address, ma'am?
Numerical address.
Okay. IPv4 called a logical address. Clear, ma'am? IPv4 provided by INA. Which one, Ravali? INA. INA called Internet Assign a number of authority. Which one, ma'am? Hitesha, ma'am?
Internet assign a number of authority.
Clear? Okay. Right now, IPv4. For example, how to verify IPv4 address? So you are getting this type. This one is your IPv4 address. Clear, Avali?
Yeah.
How many parts available? I am getting a 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I am calling this one 4 octet. How many octet, ma'am? 4 octet. This one is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Basically, in IPv4, 1 octet. Which one, ma'am? 1 octet a size 8 bit. How many bits? Hitesha, ma'am?
8 bit.
8 bits. Okay, right now in IPv4, a total size, ma'am, total size, how many? 32 bits. Yes or no? Because I am getting a 1 octet, 8 bit, that means a 4 octet, 32 bits. Clear? In IPv4, 1 octet, how many bits, Ravali?
8 bits.
8 bits. If I am putting a formula, a 2 power 8, How many, ma'am?
2 power 8.
So how many bits? How many values?
256.
256. IPv4 range a 0 to 255. How many? 0 to 255. That means total value 256. Clear, Avali?
Yeah.
Okay. IPv4 separated by every octet with dot. Clear, ma'am? In IPv4 divided into class. Which one, ma'am? Divided into class. Okay. Right now, I'm just making a column. Okay. In this column, I will discuss first class. Then I will discuss a range. Clear, Avali? Hitesha, ma'am, Jaffer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So right now, I'm getting first class. Name is A. So first range start a 0 to 127. Class B 128 to 191. Class C 192 to 223. Class D 224 to 239. Class E 240 to 255. Hitesha, ma'am, Ravali, clear? How many class available, Ravali?
5.
Can you please tell me class C range?
192 to 223.
Jafar, class A range, dear. Hitesha, ma'am, class B range.
128 to 191.
Okay, right now in this class, Aina reserve a class D. Aina reserve class D for multicasting. Which one, ma'am?
For multicasting.
Class E reserve for a research purpose. Clear, ma'am? Right now in real time, how many class usable? Class
3.
A, class B, or class C? It's a usable. Clear, Ravali, Hitesha, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, right now I'm just discuss first. Reserved a range information. Which one? Reserve range information. Right now, Aina first go to which one class, ma'am? Class A. Class A, a 0 reserved. Which one range? A 0 reserved for DSCP process. Which one, ma'am?
DHCP process.
DSCP process. Okay. No, this range address never assign PC, laptop, server, IP phone, cameras. Clear? Etc. Clear? Which one range? A 0 range. Reserved for, ma'am, DSCP process. Clear? Right now, one more range reserved. It's called 127. Which one, Ravali? Hitesha, ma'am, Jafar? 127 starting range IP. Reserved for loop back testing. Which one, ma'am?
Loop back testing.
Loop back testing. You can also say reserved for loop back and testing NIC card. Which one? NIC card. NIC card means network interface card. Which one, Jafar? Network interface cards. LAN card or WAN card. Clear? LAN adapter or wireless adapter. It's working or not. If I am getting any hardware issue, so only ping this one address. Which one, Ravali?
127.0.1.
Okay. This thing clear? 120 reserved for a loopback testing for NIC card, LAN card or WAN card. Okay. Can you please tell me after removing a reserve range, I am getting a ABC? Yes or no, ma'am? Class. Then I will discuss range. So how many class, ma'am? Usable only 3 class: A, B or C. Right now, I think in A class, I'm just remove a 0 or 127. That means a valid range 1 to 126. Class B 128 to 191. In class C 192 to 223. This one I am just calling a valid range. Which one, Ravali? Hitesha ma'am?
Valid range.
Jafarji, clear?
Yeah.
A valid range, clear? Right now, I'm just discuss one more topic. How to identify which class of IPv4 address assign device. Clear? How to identify which class of IPv4 address assign device. Clear, ma'am? So right now, if you are getting, for example, this one. So right now, Hitesha ma'am, which one class address I am using?
A. Class A.
Class A. Clear? Okay. Right now, if I am using this one, Ravali, which one class?
Same class, class A.
Class A. Okay, no issue. Jafarji, which class address I am using right now? This one.
Class B.
Class B. That's good. No issue. Hitesha ma'am.
Mm.
Which class address I am using?
Class B.
Class B. Okay. Right now, all good. No issue. Right now, I am using one more address. Ravali, which class?
Class A.
Hitesha ma'am.
Yeah, class A.
Jafar, which class address I am using right now?
Class A.
Class A. How to identify, dear? Only first octet. Which one? Only first octet. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So I will write down here how to identify. Which one? IPv4 address. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So answer is always check first octet. How many digit? How many? Only
3-digit.
3 digit. Why I am getting a 3 digit, ma'am? Because in one octet, how many bits, Jafar? 8 bits. If I am putting a formula 2 power 8, so I am getting a 256. That means a valid range in between 0 to 255. Yes or no?
Mm.
Clear? Hitesha ma'am, Ravali.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I already discussed a class A, a 0 reserve, 127 reserve. So how to identify? How to? So just go to network adapter. Which one, ma'am? Network adapter. So I'm just trying to assign a zero range. Okay, just go to property. Okay, right now I'm using IPv4 or IPv6, Hitesha ma'am?
IPv4.
Okay, right now I'm using IPv4. Just go to property and then I'm using a following IP address. I don't want to use this class. Okay, I'm using class A, a zero range. I'm getting an error. Read the error, Rabali.
0 is not valid entry.
Okay, and next.
Please specify a value between 1 and 223.
1 and 223. I think class A or B or C. I think 127 is a valid. Yes or no? Okay, right now I'm just trying. 127. So I'm getting again issues. Read the error, Jafar. Hitisha ma'am.
IP address starting with 127 are not valid because they are reserved for the loopback addresses. Please specify some other valid value between
1 and 223. Yes or no? Okay, right now, how to identify? Just go to CMD. Okay, dear. Right now, I'm just use one command, ipconfig. Which one command? ipconfig. That means a verify internet protocol configuration. How many address available? So right now, I'm getting a multiple addresses. Yes or no? But on my wireless adapter, I am getting a which one class address? Ravali, which class address?
B class.
Which one?
B class.
B class. Hitesha ma'am.
P. Class C.
Jafar.
Sorry,
Class
C.
C.
Class C. Okay, right now I just want to ping this address. I'm getting a reply. Why? Because my wireless adapter working properly. Yes or no? That is the reason. Developer will fix the IP addresses. Okay. Right now, if I'm trying ping this address, Jafar, I'm getting a reply or not?
No.
No. Why? This IP address not assigned in a network adapter, but right now I already clear verify a 120 series a range already reserved for a loopback. If I am using any IP address from 127, that means a reserve. I am getting a reply. Okay, complete range. Okay, 127 complete range. Suppose I am just write down this one. 127 11 11 11. So I'm getting a reply or not?
Yeah.
Hitesha ma'am, Ravali, I'm getting a reply or not?
No.
Why? Again 127 reserved. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So that is the reason I'm getting a reply. Okay. So 127 series all IP address reserved for a loopback testing. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, just give me a 5 minutes, then I will come back again. Okay, ma'am. Okay, so last topic we learn how to identify IPv4 addresses. Clear, Jafarji, Hitesha ma'am, Ravali? Clear these things? Any doubt, ma'am, Hitesha ma'am, Ravali? Okay, so right now we discuss one more topic. Okay, ma'am. So in this topic we discuss how many total IPv4 address available. Which one, ma'am? How many total IPv4 address available? Clear, ma'am? Hitesha ma'am, Ravali ma'am,
Yeah.
Jafarji? Okay. So basically, can you please tell me IPv4 size, total IPv4 address size?
32 bits.
32 bits. That's good. No worry. In this IPv4 total size, I'm just putting a formula 2 power 32. So I'm getting how many IP addresses? Just verify. 2 power 32. I'm getting a big number. Yes or no, ma'am? So I think our current population in this number are lowest or greater than? Greater than. Okay. So write down, I am getting a greater than values. Yes or no? So that is the reason in this scenario, IPv4 address complete use. Yes or no? But Right now, Aina. Which one, ma'am? Aina.
Aina.
Okay, Aina. Divide IP address. Which one, ma'am? Aina divide IP address in two parts. How many, ma'am? Two
The two
parts.
part
Which one? Jafarji, Hitesha ma'am, Rawali. One is private IP.
and the public IP.
Yes. Second is a public IP. So what is the difference in between a private or public IP? Basically, private IP always use a local area. Which one area? Local area. Never use internet services. Which one? Rawali, Hitesha ma'am, Jafar. Never use
using
internet
internet
service. Okay, right now if I am using a next, which one, ma'am? Public IP. Use local area and wide area network. Clear, ma'am?
Mhm.
Public IP address use internet services and protocol streaming. Which one, ma'am? Read the lines. Jafarji, Hitesha ma'am, Rawali. Use a local area and wide area network. Public IP addresses use internet services and protocol or streaming concept. Clear, ma'am?
Mhm.
Okay. So how to verify a private or public IP? How to verify? So Aina provide a private IP address details. Which one, ma'am?
Aina provides a private IP address detail.
Clear? So first we discuss a class, then we discuss, ma'am, a range. Which one? Class, then range. In class A, Aina fix a 10 number range IP address. Which one, ma'am? A private IP. Which one? Private IP. Clear? Class B, Aina fix a 172.16.0.0, a class B IP. Or which one address? A private IP address. Clear? Class C, 192.168, a 0.0/24. A reserved for, ma'am, private IP address. I will discuss later what is the meaning of /8/12/24. Okay, no worry, I will discuss. Clear, ma'am? But if you are getting a 10, that means a private or public? Hitesha ma'am, Rawali. If I am getting a 10
Public.
number IP address, a private. If I am getting a 192, that means a private or public, ma'am?
Private.
Private. Clear? Okay, right now I'm just discuss one more thing. How to get a total IPv4 address information in class. How to get total IPv4 address information in class. Clear, ma'am? So how many class available? Jafarji, Hitesha ma'am?
3 class.
Okay, 3 classes, A, B or C. So I now provide a one information. It's called subnet mask. Which one? Subnet mask. Subnet mask means to verify how many bits for network and host. Host means, ma'am, a users. A network means a group. Network means, ma'am, a group. Host means a users. Clear, ma'am? To verify how many bits for network and host reserve. Clear, Jafarji? Rawali? Clear?
Japanese skill isn't available for the Indian English language right now.
Okay, so
Sorry.
right now I am using class, then I am using range. Okay, then I am define fix octet network portion. Which one portion, ma'am? Network portion. Free octet for host portion. Rawali, Hitisha ma'am, clear?
Hmm.
Class, range, then octet. Clear? Okay, so right now in class A range, Rawali, class A range, valid range.
0 to 128.
Okay, Hitisha ma'am,
127.
1 to 126.
Fix.
Okay, 0 or 127 reserve. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, in class A, 1 octet fix a network. How many, ma'am?
1 octet fixed network.
3 octet free. Or which one portion, ma'am? Host portion. Clear? Class B. How many? Which range I am using? Class B, ma'am. Jafar. Right. Class B range. Tisha ma'am, Rawali.
128 to
128
191.
Okay, that's good. Class B. 2 octet fix a network portion. Which one, ma'am? Network portion. 2 octet free. Which one, ma'am? Host portion. Clear, Rawali? Hitisha ma'am.
Hmm.
Class C range. Class C range. Rawali. Hitisha ma'am. Class C.
Yeah. 192 to 223.
Okay. So how many octet fix? A 3 octet. How many, ma'am? 3 octet fix. Which one portion? A network portion. Clear? Then how many octet free? Anyone know how many octet free? Anyone know how many octet free? Rawali, Hitesha ma'am, Jafar. Rawali. Rawali, can you hear me? How many octet free? Hitesha ma'am.
Don't know. Sorry.
Can you please tell me how many octet available in IPv4?
4.
4. How many reserve? 3. So how many remaining, ma'am?
1.
1.
Clear na? So 1 octet free. Or which one portion? Host portion.
Host.
Clear? Right now we discuss which one concept, ma'am? How to get a total IPv4 address information. Yes or no? Okay. Right now I'm just doing a same thing, ma'am. Same thing, this one. Okay. I'm drawing again one more diagram. So first we discuss a class detail, then we discuss range, okay, then we discuss N or H. N or H means, ma'am, network or host octet. Clear, ma'am? Network or host octet. Clear?
Yeah.
And then which one detail, ma'am?
Total IPv4 address. Total.
Okay. So how many class available, Ravali?
3.
Class A, class B or class C, ma'am. Clear? Class A range, dear.
10 to 126. 1 to 126.
1 to 126. Hitesha ma'am, how many octet fixed in class A for network? One octet?
One. Yeah.
That means N. Okay. And how many octet free, ma'am? 3. That means H. Yes or no?
Mm.
Because I am getting a 3 octet now free. So H or then H. Clear? So I am just putting 2 power. How many octet free, ma'am? 3 octet. So can you please tell me in 3 octet how many bits? In 1 octet how many bits available, Ravali?
8.
8. In 3 octet
24.
24. Okay, so right now I'm just putting formula 2 power 24. Then I'm getting a total IPv4 address in my class A. Clear, ma'am?
Mm.
Class B range. Anyone know?
128 to 191.
Okay, Ravali, how many octet fixed there for network?
2.
2. That means N. How many octet free?
H.
1 or 1.
2.
Can you please tell me how many bits, dear?
2 power 16.
Okay. Total IPv4 address. Right now again. In class C range. Class C range.
190
192
to
to 223.
223.
Okay. Right now, how many octet fix?
3.
And how many octet free, ma'am?
1.
1. How many bits, Ravali?
2 power 8.
Okay. So just go to calculator because I know. 2 power 24. How many address, ma'am? 1 6 777 216. This one is total IPv4 address available in which class, ma'am? Class A. Okay. Class B, I already know a 65536. But if you want to try a 2 power 16, how many, ma'am? Same? Yes or no? A total IPv4 address. Clear? Right now, if I am using class C, how many? Anyone know how many IPv4 address? Ravali, Hitesha, ma'am, Jafar, clear? In IPv4, can you please tell me how many total IPv4 address? Ravali, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, please tell me.
64.
Use calculator.
64.
Na? 64. Use calculator.
So 256.
256. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
This thing clear? A total IPv4 address detail clear? A, B, C. Right now we discuss one more table. Okay. But I don't want to make again this table. I just copy this one. Copy half table. Okay, ma'am. I will write down here. Read the lines. Which one, ma'am? Read the lines, ma'am. 4th column.
Default
Hitesha, ma'am.
subnet mask information.
Default subnet mask information. Why I am using default subnet mask, ma'am? Why I am using subnet mask, Rawali? To verify how many
Bits are reserved.
bits reserve network and host. Clear, ma'am? Hitesha ma'am, Rawali, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you please tell me in class A how many bits are reserved, ma'am? How many octet? Rawali?
Mhm. 1 octet.
1 octet. Rawali, in 1 octet how many bits?
8.
8. That means 8 bits. Yes or no? If I am saying this one is my full octet because I already reserved na. Yes or no? That means I am putting 255. That means a full reserve. Yes or no? And how many octet remaining, ma'am?
3
0, 0, 0.
zeros. Yeah.
This one is my a class A subnet mask. Which one, Rawali?
Class A.
Can you please tell me class B subnet mask, Rawali?
255.255.0.0.
Hitesha ma'am, Jafar, clear these things. How to
Yeah.
make? Okay, it's a very easy method. Okay, because I think I already discussed how many octets reserve in class C. Hitesha ma'am,
255.255.255.0.
let's go. Clear, ma'am?
Mm,
Jafar ji, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So this thing clear. Subnet mask information, total address, how many octet reserve or fixed? Yes or no? Now I just want to discuss one more thing. Just go to CMD IP config. So Hitesha ma'am, can you please tell me this subnet mask which class?
Class C.
I think by default. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right now I am using which class? Rawali?
B
192.
class.
B class.
C.
Sorry, C class.
C class
C class.
192.
Okay. Wake up. Okay. Right now this one which class, ma'am?
169. Class B.
Class B. And Rawali, this one is which class subnet mask, dear?
C.
Hanji?
Sorry.
Which one?
B.
B. That's good. Clear? Jafarji, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you please tell me this class?
Class A.
A.
Class A. But right now I am using which one class subnet mask?
Class C.
Class C. Why I am using class A IP address or class C subnet mask? Why? Because right now I am using subnetting concept. Which one concept? Subnetting.
Sub.
Why required subnetting in real time scenario, ma'am? Why? So first verify. Okay, I'm just making a small setup. Which one, ma'am? A small setup. Okay, so I'm connecting with users. Okay, Rawali, Hitesha ma'am, this one is a users, a connected via a modem. Which one, ma'am?
Modem.
You know, no modem. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Modem just like a router. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. And modem connected via which one? Microwave or AC? Which one, ma'am? Rawali,
Mic.
Hitesha ma'am.
I.
Modem connected with microwave or AC? Or ISP? Which one?
ISP.
ISP.
Sure. Jafarji?
Yeah.
Which one connected? A modem connected via microwave, AC or ISP?
Microwave. Not sure.
Hello?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Rawali? Modem connected via which one device? ISP or microwave or AC? Which one provide internet service, ma'am?
ISP.
ISP. Clear? So this one side ISP. Clear? Jafarji? Clear? Okay. So right now, this one interface called a WAN interface. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And this one side I am calling a LAN, a local area network. Yes or no? ISP
Yeah.
provide a LAN side user. Which one network? 192.168.0.0/24. Which one, ma'am? Read the lines. 192.168.0.0/24.
24.
Okay, Ravali. /24 means a subnet mask. That means 255 8 bits, 255 8 bits, 255 8 bits, a 0. Just plus the number. How many? 24.
24.
Clear? So how many octet free, ma'am? 1 octet.
1. Yeah.
In 1 octet, how many IP? Ravali, Hitesha, ma'am. In 1 octet, Ravali, how many bits remaining?
8.
8 bits. So I am putting formula 2 power 8. So how many values come out, Jafarji?
256.
256. Yes or no? That means how many IP? 256 IP. But right now I am getting how many user? How many users? How many users, ma'am?
4.
4 user. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means how many IP address I am using right now? 252. It's an invalid. I am using only 4 IP. Yes or no? For suppose this one is 2, this one is 3, this one is 4, this one is 5. How many IP I am using? 4 IP address. So how many IP address remaining, ma'am? 252. I think I already discussed one more point. If PC1 want to communicate with PC4, so what is the first process? Hitesha, ma'am, Ravali.
Yeah.
First process.
Broadcast.
Yeah, I'm checking ARP table. If entry found, then I will communicate directly. If entry not found, ma'am, then I will do broadcast. This broadcast receive on modem.
Yeah.
Forward this side, and this side. And remaining, how many users? 252.
250.
Yes or no? So that
Yeah.
means I'm getting a issue number 1. Over CPU utilization. Yes or no? Because right now in my LAN side, I'm getting only 4 user active. Yes or no? But in my subnet mask, I'm getting a total IP 256. That means this broadcast send a 4 user or remaining 252 user also find out. Yes or no? So in this process, I will use a which one? A CPU process over. Then second issue is a bandwidth. Which one, Jafarji? Bandwidth issue. Clear? On WAN interface, I am getting a bandwidth issue. Which one, ma'am? Ravali, Hitesha, ma'am?
Bandwidth.
Bandwidth issues. Clear? Jafarji, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Clear? So how many issue I am getting? First, CPU utilization. Second, a bandwidth issue. Clear? So that is the reason in real-time scenarios, engineer will do first task if engineer want to deploy a LAN. So first task is a subnetting. Which one, ma'am? Subnetting. What is the meaning of subnetting? Anyone know? Ravali, Hitesha, ma'am, Jafar. Anyone know what is the meaning of subnetting? Ravali?
No.
No? Okay. To break, I will write down in subnetting concept, admin break a big network. Which one, ma'am? Big network into small networks. Ma'am, read the lines, Ravali.
In subnetting concept, admin break big network into small network.
Small networks. Clear, ma'am? So I'm calling this one process a subnetting. I'm calling subnetting. Clear? Hitesha ma'am,
Yeah.
read the lines.
In subnetting concept, admin break big network into small network.
Okay. Right now, how to do subnetting? I'm just making one formulas. Okay. Subnetting rules. Which one formula, ma'am? Subnetting rules.
Rules.
So first task, decimal convert into binary. Which one, ma'am? Decimal convert into binary. Second is borrow bit. Which one, ma'am? Borrow bit. Third is default subnet mask. Which one, ma'am?
Default subnet mask.
Convert into custom default default subnet mask convert into customized subnet mask. Which one, ma'am?
Customize subnet mask.
Okay. Fourth option, Ravali.
Yeah.
Read the lines from first.
Decimal convert into binary, borrow bit, default subnet mask convert into customized subnet mask, and increment bit.
And then I'm getting a which one option last? A block size. Which one, ma'am? Block size. In block size, I'm getting a two brother. Which one? A network address or broadcast address. Which one, Jafarji? Network address or broadcast address. Clear? Any issue? Any issue? Hitisha ma'am, Ravali, Jafar. Read the lines. Read the lines. Subnetting rules. Hitisha ma'am.
In subnetting rule, we need to convert decimal convert into binary, borrow bit, default subnet mask convert into customized subnet mask,
Why
increment
you are
bit.
doing default subnet mask convert into customized? Why? Because without any customization, I'm getting an over CPU utilization issue. Yes or no? If someone sending the broadcast message, then modem receive and find out this one user also 252. Yes or no? So that is the reason I'm just convert a default subnet mask into customized subnet mask. Clear? Then
Yeah.
I am getting a which one bit, Ravali? Which one bit?
Increment bit.
Increment bit. After increment bit, I will create a which one, ma'am?
Block size.
In block size, I am getting a two brothers. Which one first?
Network address and
then second is broadcast. Okay, just take a 10-minute break, then I will continue again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Ravali, Hitesha ma'am, Jafar.
Yeah.
Okay. In first task, we learn how to convert a decimal to a binary. Yes or no, ma'am? So in first task, first we learn a table. Okay. So in this table, I will discuss a decimal value. Then we discuss hexadecimal value, ma'am. Clear? Then we discuss a binary value. How many values, ma'am?
Binary.
First decimal column, then hexadecimal column, and then which one, ma'am?
Binary.
Binary. Ravali,
Yeah.
clear? Okay. So right now, if I am getting, ma'am, a 1, which one, ma'am? 1. So this one is, ma'am, a decimal number. Which one, ma'am? Decimal number. Clear? 0 also a decimal number. Clear, Ravali? But right now, I just want to convert into hexadecimal. So 0 as it is in hexadecimal, 0. Clear? But right now a binary, right now in binary, if I am using ma'am a 4-bit, how many bits, Ravali, Hitesha ma'am? A 4 bits. So how many values I will get? A 2 power 4. How many? A 16. If I am using 8 bits, so I am getting how many bits, ma'am? 2 power 8 bits, and then value is 256. Yes or no? But right now I am using how many bits, Ravali? Only 4 bits. Clear? So how to represent a 4 bits? 8, 4, 2, 1. Plus the values, Ravali, Hitisha ma'am. Plus the values,
15.
15. That's good. If I am saying on bit, that means 1. If I am saying off bit, that means a 0. Clear? If I am getting a 0 decimal value, so it is on or off? Higher value or lower value, ma'am?
Higher.
That means off. A 4, ma'am, higher.
Yeah.
A 2, ma'am, again higher. A 1 also higher. Clear? So that means how many 0?
4.
4 0. If I am getting a 1 decimal value, that means 8 is 0 or 1, Ravali?
0.
0. 4,
0.
2,
0. 1.
1. Clear, Hitesha ma'am? That means decimal 1, hexadecimal 1, but in binary I am getting a 0 0 0 1. Clear, ma'am? If I am getting a 2, Ravali?
0 0 1 0.
Okay. Hitesha ma'am? Hitesha ma'am?
Just hold a minute, sir, please.
I just had a doubt. I mean, to send data from one PC to another PC, will it check subnet mask also?
Yes.
Like where in router and the switch, it will check subnet mask.
In data packets. In layer 3 information. Layer 3. Layer 3.
Okay.
If you are getting a decimal value 3, then binary
0 0
0
1 0 1 1.
1. Four as it is 4. Yes or no? 0 1 0 0. 5, Ravali?
0 1 0 1.
6,
0 1 1 0.
Sorry,
7.
but I didn't get it how this value is coming. Can you
Okay.
explain this again?
Suppose, ma'am, if you are going from 4 bits, which one, ma'am? 4 bits. So 2 power 4, how many values come out? 16. In 4 values, I am getting a 15 values. Yes or no? If you start from 0 to 15, so total value, ma'am?
0 to 15.
16, ma'am.
Yeah, total 16 as
Total
including
16.
0.
Clear? So I'm starting from 0. Clear? This one. If I am getting a decimal value 1, so I'm getting a 8 is higher value from 1 or lower value.
Higher.
That means a bit always off. Okay. So 0, a 4
Yeah.
also 0,
0.
2 also 0, but 1 I'm getting a 1. That means on or off? On. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, right now if I am getting a 7, ma'am, so binary value, which one bit on? 8 on or off?
It's on. 0.
Off. 4,
1
Slower.
2,
1
1.
1.
1.
Just plus the values.
7.
Clear? If I am getting a 8, ma'am, then 8 1 or 0?
1.
And then remaining,
0, 0, 0.
clear ma'am?
Yeah.
Nine, Hitisha ma'am, 9.
0,
9.
1, 0, 0, 1.
That's good. Clear? So this one is decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary. But right now I am getting all values. Yes or no? 15 also na. So I'm getting only 9. Just go to 9 to 15. Ten number, ma'am. Hexadecimal convert into A. Hexadecimal convert into A. If you are getting a decimal value 10, then hexadecimal, ma'am, A. Clear? Ravali, Hitisha, ma'am.
Okay.
And then binary, Hitisha, ma'am.
So
Binary,
1, 0, 1, 0.
clear? 11, then convert into B. A binary,
1
1,
0
0, 1, 1.
1011. That's good. 12, C.
1, 1, 1, 0, 0.
Okay, very fast. D. 8, 4, 2, 1. Clear? 14.
1 1 0.
And then 15, ma'am.
1, 1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1.
1, 1.
Clear? So this one is your decimal, hexadecimal, or binary. Right now, if you are getting a 8-bit concept, which one, ma'am?
8.
8-bit concept. I'm getting a 2 power 8. How many values, Ravali? 256. Clear, ma'am?
Mm.
So I'm just making a box. Okay. I think if I'm saying 2 power 0, how many values come out, Ravali?
1
1. 2 power 1, ma'am.
2.
2
2 power 3. Oh, sorry. 2 power 2. 4. 2 power 3. 8. 2 power 4. 16. 2 power 5. 32. 2 power 6. 64. 2 power 7. How many values? 128. Yes or no? Can you please, ma'am, count? It's a total 8-bit or 7-bit? 1, 2,
7
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 bits. Clear, ma'am? So right now, first value, 1. Second value, 2.
2.
Third value, ma'am,
4.
clear, Ravali?
yeah
On means a bit 1 or 0. Which one, ma'am? Hitisha, ma'am, Ravali?
1
1.
If I am saying off,
0
0 or 1?
0
0. Okay. So right now I am getting a decimal value, ma'am. Which one, ma'am? Decimal value is 5. Which one, ma'am? 5. So can you please help me? 128 0 or 1? Hitesha, ma'am.
Hmm?
128 0 or 1? Which one? If I
1.
am getting a decimal value 5. Higher
1.
or lower?
0
It's a higher value, ma'am. From
Yeah.
5 to. That means 0 or 1?
0.
0. I am not using this value. 64,
0.
32,
0.
16,
0.
8,
0.
4,
1.
1
1. I am getting a lower value.
Yeah.
2, 0,
0.
1,
1.
Very easy. Converted decimal to binary. Any issue, ma'am? Any issue? Ravali, Hitisha, ma'am?
No.
No.
Now you are getting. A decimal value is 10. Ravali, 128.
0, 0, 0, 0,
Okay. Now you
1,
are getting
0, 1, 0, 1, 0.
clear, Hitisha, ma'am?
Yeah.
Now you are getting a 15.
15. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Clear? Okay. Jafar, 23.
0, 0.
23.
23.
Ravali,
20 is a max number.
Jafar,
Hello.
128, 0 or 1?
0,
Okay. 64,
0,
32,
0,
16,
1,
1. Okay. Right now, how many values remaining? 7. 0, 1,
1,
1
1.
or 1. Clear, Jafar? 16
Yeah.
plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 23. Clear, Avali? Hitisha,
Yeah.
ma'am?
Yeah.
Jafar? Okay. Right now, you are getting a 49. Ravali?
59.
0,
0.
0, 1, 0.
Wake up, wake up.
Let me use calculator.
32 plus 16,
1,
48.
1, 0, 0, 0.
Clear, ma'am? Hitisha, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, now your turn. 51.
My turn now.
Yeah.
0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1.
Now, that's good. Jafar?
Correct.
63.
Okay. Once we found the first value, after
Yes.
that, how we found the value?
Because this one is my, this one is largest value. No?
Okay.
I'm getting a lowest value 63. If I'm enable this one, that means I'm using a 128 value. Yes or no? But right now my value is lower or higher? A lower value.
Lower
That
value.
means I'm just doing off. Never use
No.
this one value. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So 128, 0 or 1?
0, 0, 0, 1.
Okay.
Okay. After that, how we calculate?
32, I'm getting on 16. 1 or 0?
Sorry. 32.
32 plus 16 or 48. Yes or no?
Okay.
32 plus 16, 48. 48 plus 8, how many? 56.
Okay.
Yes or no? 56 plus 4, a 16. 16 plus 2, a 62 plus 1, how many? 63.
Yeah.
Only plus the values, only plus. Now you are doing only plus. Clear, Jafar?
Yeah.
Okay. Right now, dear, you are getting one more values, a 79.
79.
9. Jafar,
Yeah.
0.
just do again.
Okay. 0,
Okay.
1,
1, that's good.
1. Sorry. 0.
Okay, right now hold on. It's clear. A 32 is on or off?
0.
0. 16?
0.
0. That's good.
0.
64, 8, 8,
60, 0,
plus the values, 64 plus 8, how many?
72,
Yes,
also low.
4, 76 plus 2, 78 plus 1, 79. Clear? Okay, right now you are getting one more value, 90. Jafar, again do
90.
128, 0 or 1?
0,
0. Okay, 64,
1,
1. 32, just plus no value, 64 plus 32.
plus 32,
Yes, it's a larger value or
96.
lowest?
Larger.
Then 0. Okay, no worry.
Yeah.
And right now just go to next value, 16. Again plus 64 plus 16. How many?
80, lower,
18.
1,
That means 1. How many values remaining? A 16. That means 8 is use 4, then 2. Yes or no? 64 plus 16. How many? 80.
80.
88 plus 4. A 92 plus 4. A 92 plus 4.
96.
96. Again plus 64 plus 16. 80. 88. 88 plus 4. 92. 92 plus 94. Yes or no? But right now I am just getting only 90. How many, Jafar? Only 90. So I am using 64 plus 16. 80. 88. Then 0. Then 1. Then 0. Clear, ma'am?
Mm.
Jafar?
Yeah.
Okay. Again we do practical. Okay, no worry. Hiteesha ma'am, clear?
Yeah.
Ravali?
Yeah.
Jafar, can you help me again? You are getting one more decimal value, 100. How many?
100.
How to convert binary, dear? 128, 0 or 1? 0. 64?
1,
1. Okay. 32?
1,
16?
0.
0,
Okay. 8? Just plus the value. If you don't want to plus, just decrease the value. 100 minus 64. I'm getting how many? 6. And then I'm getting how many? 9 minus 6. I'm getting a 56. Yes or no, ma'am? And again, I am minus 32. How many values? 4 or 2. So how many values remaining? Just verify. 64 plus 32, 96.
6.
How many values remaining? Only 4.
4.
That means 16 higher, a 0. 8
Yeah.
also higher, 0. A 4, it's a lower or higher, Jafar?
lower,
Higher or lower? Lower, that means
lower,
1.
1,
1.
Then 2 also lower, but I am getting a complete value. That means 0,
0,
0. Again, Jafar, again 105. Now verified here. 128, 0 or 1?
0,
64,
1,
1. That's good. 32,
1,
1. 16, 16 again,
0,
0. 8, 1
1,
or 0? 1.
0,
No, I am getting na 64 plus 32, 96. If you minus 96, how many values remaining,
okay.
ma'am? So I am getting a 9 values. So 8 is lower. That means 1. How many values remaining, Jafar? Only one. 40, 20, or 1 only. Yes or no? Clear? Hitisha ma'am, Ravali?
Yeah.
Okay. Now Ravali, please tell me. If you are getting a values is a 157.
So 157.
Ravali,
Yeah.
a 128. Use calculator.
1
1,
0 0 1. Yeah, 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1.
clear ma'am?
Mm.
Math is very important. Yes or no? Again, you are getting a 192. Hitisha ma'am.
Okay, 192. So it's 192.
1
Very easy. Very easy. Only Hitisha ma'am.
60. 1100000.
Yes. Clear, Jafar? Hitisha ma'am,
Yeah,
clear.
yeah.
Ravali 224.
Sorry, 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0.
Clear ma'am? This thing clear? So I think decimal to binary it's clear. Any doubt, Jafar? This thing clear? Decimal to binary. I just only verify which one concept, ma'am? A borrow bit. Which one, Ravali?
Borrow bit.
Borrow bit. Clear, ma'am?
Mm.
Okay. So right now this one value represent on first position. This one second position. This one is third position, and this one is fourth position, fifth, sixth, seventh, and this one 8. Yes or no, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you please come from this side and verify which one first bit on this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, right now I'm getting this one value is first on. Yes or no? Come
Okay.
only this side from 128 side. So how many borrow bit I am getting? How many? A 3. Okay, Jafar. How many? 3. Okay, Ravali, can you please tell me in second one? Second, which one borrow bit I am getting?
4 2.
4. 4 only, na? Only 4. First on bit. Never count this one.
Okay.
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 Oh, okay.
Hitisha ma'am, this one.
4.
Okay. Jafar, this one, dear.
5.
5. Okay. Ravali.
6.
Okay. So I think this one as it is. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Right now this one. Ravali.
7.
Okay. Right now this one. First line. Jafar. First line, dear.
7.
Okay. That's good. This one 7.
Yeah.
And this one is 8.
8.
8. 8.
8.
Okay. Borrow bit concept clear.
Yeah.
Borrow bit concept clear. Clear, Jafar? Hitisha ma'am, Ravali.
Yeah.
Okay. So only today we discuss two positions. Okay, borrow bit, decimal to binary. Clear, ma'am? So
Yeah.
I have notebooks for IP addressing. Okay. So for your practice, just to print out this one. Okay, hold on. Song PDF, Cisco CCNA book, or which one? IP addressing book. Okay, ma'am?
Yeah.
This one book helpful for a subnetting concept. Clear? If you want to learn how many types IP address available. Right now I'm getting how many class, Jafar? A, B, C, D, E. A private IP address also getting, I'm getting also. Then default subnet mask. Now I'm getting, ma'am, one more concept. Can you help me? Hitisha, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. 1 second. Right now in this picture,
Yeah.
I'm getting this one. Can you
Yeah.
convert a binary to decimal? Any idea how to convert binary to decimal? Or which one bit on, ma'am? 128
128. Yeah.
or 64? Just plus the value.
64. Yeah. Plus
Then plus the again one more value of 4. Then again
197.
one more value. How many,
197.
ma'am?
197.
It's very easy. Ravali, Hitesha ma'am, Jafar.
Yeah.
Just convert a binary to decimal.
Decimal.
Okay, right now complete this one task. Okay.
Hmm.
Oh, hold on, one more task available. Okay, right now this one.
Yeah.
Ravali, 123. Just convert decimal to binary, dear.
64 plus 32 plus 16
0.
or 1. Yeah.
This one.
So,
Count. This one is
One.
true answer.
64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 124.
Hitesha ma'am.
yeah.
It's right. It's right answer or wrong answer?
Ben-
Use calculator. 64
Yeah,
plus
2
32.
plus 1, yeah.
96 plus 16 plus 8. 24 plus 2 or 1. A 3. Yes or no?
Yeah.
6 or 4. 10 or 3. 13. 1. 9 or 10 or 2.
120.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Just convert decimal to binary. You are getting one more notebooks. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Right now, one more task. This one.
Mhm.
I think I already discussed. Ravali, Hitesha
Yeah.
ma'am,
Yeah.
Jafar, can you hear me, dear? Okay. Jafar, help me. How to identify this one address which class?
Class C. The
C.
first
Class
one.
C. And this one address, Ravali?
Class B.
B.
Ravali, ma'am.
Sorry.
B.
And this one, ma'am, Hitesha ma'am?
Class C. 126.
Yes.
A.
Yeah, it's a class A.
A. Okay. So this
Yeah.
one also do this thing also.
Hmm.
Okay. Right now, just go to one more side. Okay. Right now, this one. I think I already discussed. How many octet fixed for network or host? Yes or no? So circle the network portion of this address. Okay, right now, this one, which class address, ma'am?
177. Class B.
Class B. How many octet fixed for network, Ravali?
2 networks, 2 hosts.
Yeah, just circle 2 octet. Okay, ma'am?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah. As a class C is
Yes. And this one, which class address?
209.
C.
C.
Class C. How many octet fixed for network?
3.
1. 3. 3.
Just circle 3. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, just move on this side. Circle the host portion of the
This
addresses. Which class address this one?
198. So C.
Class C. How many octet are free for host?
1.
Only one. So circle this octet. Clear, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm verify. Okay. Just print out this one notebook. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next question. Which one, ma'am? Read the line.
Write the correct default subnet mask for
Ravali. This one is which class address, dear? Or Jafar?
B.
B.
Jafar?
B.
B. Subnet mask 255.255.0.0.
0.
Because I just want to verify only default subnet mask. Clear?
Hmm.
One more task. Okay, it's complete. Okay. So I'm just sending